Here's an overview of the FOXPRO Shockwave. It's a 4-speaker unit that has 2 horn speakers and 2 tweeters. The speakers are movable for directional sound. It comes standard with 100 sounds and will hold up to 1,000 sounds. This is your power on and off switch that doubles as your volume setting in local mode. You have a charge jack, 2 external speaker jacks, auxiliary jack, and sound selector buttons for local mode. The Shockwave comes standard with our popular TX1000 remote. To operate the Shockwave in remote mode, power on the collar and the remote, navigate to your desired sound category, choose your sound, and select your volume level with the volume up and down buttons. The TX1000 offers tons of great features, including user-friendly navigation, a full-color graphic LCD screen, a barometer indicator, moon phase indicator, temperature indicator, and much more. The Shockwave also comes standard with Fox Bang, Fox Motion, Fox Fusion, Fox Pitch, Fox Data, Fox Cast, and Auto Volume. For detailed information on these great features, visit the Fox Feature section on our website. The FOXPRO Shockwave comes standard with a 5-year limited warranty and is proudly made in the USA.